In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix try again later issue in Instagram. So I'm going to show you what normally the picture looks like when you get it. So here, normally it would look like this. Try again later, we restrict certain activity to protect our community. So to fix that, you have a few options here. So first leave Instagram and then go to settings, search for apps, and then click on apps, and then here you want to search inside of apps for Instagram. Here you want to go to storage and clear cache and clear data, delete, and then you want to go back and go inside of Instagram, and hopefully this should have solved your issue. But if it didn't, try updating your Instagram. So you want to go to Play Store and click Instagram, and then click update. If it shows open, then that means it's already updated. And if this didn't fix your issue, then you might want to try this step right here. So let me just log in here. So if this didn't help, then just try taking a screenshot of the issue right away. And after you take a screenshot, you want to go to your profile, go to the top right, and then go all the way down where you can report this issue. So hopefully it can be solved. Click on help, report a problem, and then report problem without shaking. And here you can basically click include and continue and report your problem and upload the image, the screenshot that of the issue, this issue, and hopefully the Instagram team will help you fix this. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.